Hi, I'm Crislyn McKerron, Executive Director of Cabrillo Marine Aquarium, and I wanted to take some time to send a personal message about the reopening of our main exhibit hall. As many of you know, we had to close our main exhibit hall in order to conduct a $8 million renovation of our life support system. The life support system is, just as the name suggests, it's what keeps our animals alive and is crucial to everything we do at the aquarium. If you've ever been involved in a home renovation project, you know it's never as easy as it seems on paper. But in our case, we weren't willing to cut any corners. If it comes to the safety of our animals, we were going to do the best job we could. And we found a lot of things we had to fix and remediate along the way. We decided to use a new material that had never been utilized in the city of Los Angeles. And if anybody watching today has ever dealt with permitting and construction, you know it can be a long process. Well, that is especially true if the material has never been utilized in a City of Los Angeles project. But this material, called FRP, is non-corrosive and ensures the longevity of our system well into the future. So it delayed the project a little bit, but it is definitely worth it. I know that at one point we stated we were hoping to open the main exhibit hall last fall. But everything I just explained to you and us being very serious about delivering the best product is why we are now targeting a spring 2026 reopening. As part of our accreditation, we have the highest standards for animal well-being. So we needed to make sure that all of our animals were placed in safe and healthy conditions that are subject to the same stringent standards that we are. So all of our animals were thought about and distributed to other accredited aquariums. And then on the other side of this process is we have to collect new animals, and we only do that from other safe and accredited institutions or through ethical acquisition. So that's a long process too. And it takes months to get the water precisely correct so that we know that we are putting these animals in a safe and healthy environment. And I just want to thank you for your support and for your patience, and all of us here cannot wait to have you back and see the new exhibits that we're offering, and the new collection room, and the new jelly lab, and possibly even get a sneak peek on some of the life support system. Looking forward to seeing you on April 18th, 2026. Thank you again.